How to turn off the orange microphone indicator on iPhone. If you keep seeing an orange dot at the top of your iPhone screen, here's what it means and how you can stop apps from accessing your microphone. First, open the Settings app. Next, tap Privacy and Security. Now, select Microphone. Here, you'll see a list of apps that have requested access to your microphone. If you don't want a particular app to use your microphone, simply turn off the switch next to that app. You can review the list and disable microphone access for any apps that don't need it. Now, go back to the main settings page. If the orange indicator is still showing, open the Control Center by swiping down from the top right corner. At the top, you may see a message showing which app recently used your microphone. Open that app and close it if you don't need it. Keep in mind that the orange indicator is a privacy feature in iOS. It appears whenever an app is actively using your microphone, so you cannot permanently disable the indicator itself. If you see the orange indicator unexpectedly, check the microphone permissions and the app using the microphone. And that's it. This is how you can identify and control microphone access when the orange indicator appears on your iPhone. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful iPhone tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.